Hold start. Got it.
YouTube, how's it going? It is a super rainy day. Today we are going to be taking the F-150 over to Blaine's shop to get a bunch of work done. And by work, I mean we're going to be fixing the exhaust leak that I've had on this truck for the last 3 years. Oh, this camera's getting kind of foggy. We're going to be fixing the exhaust leak that we've had on this truck for over 2 years. And we're also going to get something a little special put on, aka a turbo. Made it over to Night Shift Performance, and one of the very first things, Blaine's already on it, he's already under the truck, but to get started on installing the turbo kit, we're gonna go ahead and cut off the muffler that sits right underneath here. This is what it looks like, kind of, you can maybe see it, but that's because the exhaust is gonna go all the way here, up to the truck bed, and excuse the mess, but the turbo is gonna sit right here. We're gonna get all this air coming around it, it's gonna be insane, and I'm just super excited. So right behind this coupler?
In front.
All right.
No, like that front, towards the front of the truck.
Okay, like right here?
Yeah.
Did I do it? I did it. That is not straight up. Oh, there's so much rust.
Got a little pop to it though.
Quick update, we cut off the entire resonator. We cut it off right there, and then this part actually ended up rusting completely through. So now the truck sounds absolutely insane. You guys heard some of that. We got a bunch of couplers here and the welder. So Blaine is all the way over there working on the coupler for the turbo, and this thing's gonna sound insane. We're gonna set it up temporarily underneath, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the bed of the truck. It's gonna sound crazy. Once again, huge shout out to maxspeedingrods for supplying us the turbo, and I can't wait to install it on my F-150. It's gonna go absolutely crazy. Holy smokes, just look at this thing. Just look at this thing. I mean, it's got the gold spinny thingy wheel inside of it, and I just can't wait to make some actual boost with this. We got a bunch of couplers, and we are gonna put it all on that F-150. Just look at this thing. I mean, it's got the gold spinny thingy wheel inside of it, and I just can't wait to make some actual boost with this. We got a bunch of couplers, and we are gonna put it all on that F-150. So Blaine out here, we're picking the rustiest pipes out here. No protection whatsoever, horrible grounds. We're just doing it. It's gonna be so fun. No gloves either. This is what I'm talking about. Leave a like if you're American. And we got the turbo flange that goes there. This is just temporarily tacked. It is going to go to the bed of the truck, but we're just going to get the turbo on here so it sounds cool and we can see it spool up. As you guys can see, we got the turbo
fully mounted.
No, that's perfect, fully mounted. All right, there we go. Got the maxspeedingrods turbo hooked up to the F-150 temporarily. It's going to go in the back of the truck. But this thing's going to sound crazy, and we're going to try to get some quick revs just to kind of see what it sounds like with the turbo. I'm excited. So the exhaust is coming out of the wrong hole, that one right there. So Blaine's gonna plug it up. And this is just because, I guess like that's an internal wastegate. So Blaine's just gonna go ahead and weld it shut so we can get some
like spool it up slowly.
So Blaine here is cutting about 4.5 feet of pipe. That's because on the truck, we were trying to take the turbo off, and we actually ended up removing half the exhaust system from the car because it was so rusty. It's honestly kind of funny, but we in the shop. Just put this thing on there. YouTube, it is the next day. Honestly, it's probably been about a week, so we're about to head over back to Blaine's shop to get the rest of this turbo installed. Pretty much gonna go ahead and cut it out, put it in the bed of the truck, get everything like wired up, lined up, and then make a couple posts about it. Show off the turbo spooling, and maybe get some before and after clips of what it sounds like when we're, you know, flooring it. We made it back to Blaine's shop. We got the F150 hiding in the sun over there with the exposure settings. You can't really see it, but we're getting ready to start the turbo install. I'm just super excited. We're gonna get a bunch of clips before, after, and this is gonna be awesome. Let's check it out. So this is what the truck sounds like just with a resonator delete. We're gonna have Mike do a couple revs here. Woo, not too bad, not too bad. Woo-hoo-hoo. Then we're gonna put the turbo in the back of the bed right over there in that little corner, and it's gonna sound a lot different. I'm very excited. Let's see it. Oh, there's the turbo right here. We've already gone ahead and fabbed it up. We did have this on the truck a couple days ago for a cool, a little funny video, especially running it without oil, blah, blah, blah. It is okay, but we're gonna be putting this turbo right here on the back right over there. So we gotta drill a hole in the F-150, measure some pipe down below underneath the truck. You can kinda see that pipe right there. That's what we're gonna be connecting to the back of the truck right over there. Oh. Okay, cool. Yeah, that up close is cool. Yeah. Blaine here's got the drill and a little hole saw over there. And unfortunately, we don't have a 3-inch hole saw. We have this size, so we're gonna be drilling a couple little holes. But he's gonna test out first by drilling a little pilot hole just to make sure we're in the right spot. This is awesome. Dude, and we should see, oh, yep, there it is. That's perfect. It came right through the truck bed. All right. Ta-da!
There it is.
Now we can just pop it back in when we're done.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it'll move, but it's gonna take a minute. Yeah, Blaine's strong.
Blaine got the angles.
He's also got a tiny one. Starts burning my lips. Oh, I straight up ripped that. Okay. Just to make sure we don't get any more ridiculous rust, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with some black. We didn't have white, but we're just gonna hit all that open area with high temp exhaust paint, just so it doesn't burn anything and we don't have any more rust coming out of wherever. Now I'm gonna be doing some welding. We're just gonna be getting this little corner piece here, the 3-way 90-degree, to right there. Really simple stuff. I'm gonna show off some of my welding skills. Can we lower the speed just a little? Holy, that is hard. Voltage or something? Not the speed, but whew, I don't know. That's blowing right through it. Okay, there we go. I would like a glove, please.
try it like.
I can't stay on it for as long as I don't like.
Just pop it. Just go like. Oh, just do like. Half it.
A little better.
Perfect.
All right, now I'm just tacking up the exhaust pipe down here. I'll show you guys in just a second.
Hold up. Hold up for a second.
Yep.
Does that still work?
Yeah. You ready?
Alright, right there.
Cool. Have to be all the way around?
Turbo F-150 for the first time. Cold start. Got it.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but that was the Turbo F150 first start. This thing is crazy. We're gonna have Mike sit in the back of the truck here. We're just gonna go on the main street. I am limited to 3K on the neutral rev limit, so I can't go above 3,000 RPM. So we're gonna go actually do a little pull here and see if we can get this thing to whine a little bit more. He's got some oil just in case, because we don't have the oil lines hooked up yet. Those are still coming in the mail. But as soon as those get like connected, we can go ahead and route the intake piping, which is just gonna be some PVC pipe all the way to the front of the truck. It's gonna be insane. But for now, I'm gonna hand the camera off to Mike and we're gonna go do a little bit of fun street stuff.
Yo, I got that. Holy fuck. Yo, nah, this is nuts. Yo, nah. Yeah, be careful. Here we go. Holy fuck! Right now, giving the F-150 some nice tests, you know, and I gotta spray it with some oil. So right now, giving the F-150 some nice tests, you know. Where the fuck did the oil go?
You got the camera going?
Yeah. Yep. Here we go. Uh-oh. It's smoking. on the F-150 is smoking. I just sprayed it with oil. All right, there we go.
Well, we are running low on battery on this camera. I am way zoomed in. But the turbo is smoking because we don't have any oil, so we barely got even half a mile. That's crazy. This thing sounds insane. Oh my goodness, dude, this is awesome. Thank you, maxspeedingrods. We are gonna get the oil lines hooked up, and I don't think we damaged the turbo at all, but oh my gosh, it sounds crazy. We just made it back home with the F-150. We can't put the turbo on it right now because there are no oil lines, so we are still waiting for those in the mail. But it's just absolutely insane. I'm super happy with it. I'm super excited, and I just can't wait to I'm gonna use the intake tubing all the way to the front. We're gonna actually run some boost, and I've got a tuner for the truck, so we're actually gonna be able to tune it and make some more power out of this truck. I also have fuel injectors. We have everything ready for the truck. It's gonna be a lot more stuff coming soon. Also stuff with the drift build, new edge right here, and the drag build over there. So if you guys are watching and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for some more stuff. And share this video with somebody who thinks that truck bed mounted turbos aren't going to do anything, because right now it's not doing anything, so they're right, but it soon will. So anyways, go ahead, leave a like, leave a subscribe, and right before we go, I'm going to get you guys a cold start on Mike's, what is it, Camaro SSLE? I don't fucking know. God damn, I got to cover my ears. Here we go. Absolutely insane. That's just absolutely insane. I can't hear anything at all. What's up, chat? I think I can hear you guys now. Oh my god.